Welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we are looking at a 2011 Regal 1900 19-foot boat on its own trailer with a folding tongue and a spare tire. Great big swim platform on back. And this boat is powered up with a 4.3 liter Volvo drive. New prop. Skeg's in good condition. Let's take a walk around the other side. Here is the port side of the Regal. Looking pretty clean on this side. No dock rash. Again, that big swim platform with the boarding ladder. Let's take a look up top side. Here we are on the top side of the Regal. In the bow section, got some grab handles up there, cup holders, courtesy lights down the middle. There's a little bit of wear on the seams. And moving back. Co-captain's area here, dashboard, glove box, Fusion stereo speakers, co-captain's chair with the flip-up bolster, down here we're looking at the fire suppression system, Fusion speakers, aft lounge is in good shape. Captain's chair with bolster. Fusion stereo. Horn, bilge pump. Nav, anchor, another bilge pump. Depth gauge, analog instruments. The Volvo throttle. Let's take a look at the engine box. Taking a look inside. 4.3 liter Volvo Penta. Battery on off. Hose for your blowers. Your battery. Extra prop. And some storage. Looks pretty clean, smells pretty clean. Looks like a pretty new alternator there. Okay, that is the 2011 Regal 1900 for sale at SkipperBud's.